Guess what? We are here at People's Park! So we are here to discover the nature of mathematics.
Where is mathematics, guys? You may not know it, but math is all around you. You may not recognize it, but math is everywhere. You use it and see it every day. So, open your eyes and take a look.
Don't you know that the floor I am standing right now has mathematics? Don't you? Patterns are found in construction materials, everything from brick walls to walkways. As you can see, the ground that I was standing has a pattern. Even in the roof of the building has its pattern. Therefore, the ground and the roof has mathematics.
Next is symmetry, and there are two kinds of symmetry, the bilateral symmetry and the radial symmetry.
Bilateral symmetry is where an object has two sides that are mirror images of each other. And the radial symmetry is where there is a center point and numerous lines of symmetry could be drawn.
Shapes, lines, and angles are also nature of mathematics.
We can find many geometric shapes in many man-made objects. Look at the squares, triangles, and circles.
So next is measurement. Measurements are necessary to build things like houses and buildings. It determines the capacity in an area.
Probably the single most cited practical application for math in our everyday life is money or financial management. We have also faces or human facial construction because faces is also part of the golden ratio. The mouth and nose are each positioned at golden sections of the distance between the eyes and the bottom of the chin. Similar proportions can be seen from the side and even the eye and ear itself, which follows along a spiral. The background music used in this video is also part of mathematics because there is counting, rhythm, scales, intervals, patterns, symbols, harmonies, time signatures, overtones, tone, and pitch. And even devices like cell phones or laptops because nowadays technology is a prominent feature of many mathematics classrooms. Like teachers use this as a medium of their discussion, students use this for their calculator, and right now we use this to edit one of the requirements in our subject mathematics.
So as you can see, math is always around us. Whether you see it in nature, or in man-made objects like this, or in anything you do, like walking. That's all for today. Bye!